All right. Good afternoon once again to you all. Shreya, Josna, all are in same place. Nunim also. Wow. Okay. It's nice to see. Anyways, you have already heard हाम्रो रञ्जनाले भनेको सुनिहाल्नुभयो. Please make sure that you have turned on your camera during the entire class. Okay. पुरै क्लासभरि चाहिँ तपाईँहरूको भिडियो क्यामेरा अन गरिदिनुहोस् otherwise it will be a problematic situation for you as well as for us. Okay, so make sure that you have turned on your camera the entire time. Okay, and make sure that you have put your own name in your Google Classroom and in the Zoom meeting. Okay, all right, let's wait for one more minute, then we'll start. साथीहरूलाई कुरम एकचोटि अनि we will start the class from the previous class where we left off, which was multiplication गर्ने थियो. So Ranjila ma'am, can you please enable me to share my screen? Thank you. Okay, I hope we are all doing fine. All right, thank you ma'am. So quickly I revise garam where we left off in the previous class. It was multiplication. We were given 3 questions, and may I please tell you that so many of you haven't submitted the assignment. कसैले पनि like 14 जना, like 14 or 17 people have submitted. The rest of you haven't at all, which is completely not acceptable. Okay, to accept गर्ने मिल्दैन. You have to submit your answers, submit your assignments in given time. Okay, otherwise the classes are not being productive at all, not fruitful at all. It's just waste of time if you do like that. Okay, make sure that you submit your answers, submit your assignments in time, given time. Okay, and thank you to those whoever are submitting their assignments in time. I really appreciate that. Okay, so we had 3 questions. We'll quickly discuss those 3 questions and move forward. So first question was minus 4x square multiplied by 5x multiplied by minus 2x. Okay, sound disturbance. I'm getting the disturbance. Can you please mute your mic, everyone? Please mute your mic. Oppo F9 भन्ने आउनु भएको छ. Is this Sriana? Okay, you have to change your name to the real one. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm sorry, really sorry. Okay, so in multiplication we have already discussed multiplication. हामीले धेरैचोटि हामीले डिस्कस गरिसकेका छौं. Multiplication कसरी गर्ने भने we have already discussed it so many times. So let's just say it once again. So first of all, we multiply the sign. Okay, whatever signs are there, we multiply all the signs together and put the answers there. Okay, next thing we do is we multiply the coefficients. Okay, first multiply the sign, then multiply the coefficients, and then we add the powers of the same bases. Okay, same base ma bhayeko power lai chai हामी add गर्छौं. So here, as we see, there are 3 terms: minus 4x square, 5x, and minus 2x. So first of all, we multiply the sign. So may I please talk to Prasumi Khatri?
Yes, sir.
Prasumi, there are 3 signs, right? Minus 4, which is minus. 5 ko agadi kehi pani chaina, there should be plus, and 2 ko agadi minus छ. So minus, plus, and minus. There are 3 signs. So what would be the final sign if we multiply them all? Plus. Very good. So here, everyone, look at the board, look at the screen. Minus, plus, minus, and then minus multiply this minus and becomes plus. So the final sign is plus. Thank you, Prasumi. Okay, so the final sign here is plus, but we know that if there is a plus, we do not have to write the plus. Okay, हामी लेखिराख्नु जरुरी छैन. Now, since we have multiplied the sign, we multiply the numbers now. So the numbers are 4 into 5 into 2. Okay, now we multiply the coefficients. And the next thing we do is add the power of the same base. सेम बेसको पाराले हामी एड गरिदिन्छौँ सो x छ हामीसँग सेम बेस चाहिँ यो x here हामीसँग x छ and the power of x is 2 1 and 1 so we add 2 plus 1 plus 1 so does anyone have any problem यो स्टेपमा कसैलाई केही प्रब्लम छ anyone please unmute yourself and speak okay if you have any confusion. All right, so I've already told you if there's a plus sign in front, then we don't have to write. So I'll just erase it from here. The next thing we do is we simply do the maths, simple mathematics. 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, and x to the power 4. This is our answer. Okay, kokosको मिला थियो, kokosको मिला थिएन. Just if you haven't done it, just copy it right now. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute to do that. We have 2 more questions to do. Okay, can I rub it now? I'm rubbing it. I hope you can do it yourself anyways. So for this one, I'd like to speak to Miss Utsaha, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Utsaha, wait a minute. Okay, give me just 1 minute, moment. 3bc times abc. Okay, Utsaha.
Yes,
this was the
sir.
second question given to us. Can you please tell me what would be the final sign? Final sign के हुन्छ होला साइन सबै मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ there are 3 signs minus बिचमा पनि minus लास्टमा plus so what will be the final sign
Minus.
okay minus so कसरी minus भयो so हेर्नुस् है उचाजी so let us discuss यहाँ छ minus हो here is a minus here is also a minus so minus minus gives us plus here is a plus so यहाँसम्म आउँदाखेरि प्लस थियो यहाँ पनि प्लस छ प्लस प्लस के हुन्छ प्लस so the final answer would be final sign would be plus okay there are 2 minuses that means that final sign would be plus so I like to लेखिराखौं I'm getting the sound disturbance can you please mute your mic please so we have plus here. The next thing we do is we multiply the coefficients. Right? We have already discussed it so many times. We have to multiply the coefficients. There are only 2 coefficients there, 2 and 3. So we multiply 2 times 3. Next up, we find the like bases, same bases and add the powers. So we have a to the power is suruma a ko power 1 cha. Bichama in the middle one there is no a, but in the last term there is another a which power is 1. So we have the power of a is 1 plus 1. For b, we have first in the first term there is a b, so the power is 1 plus in the second term there is a b, so its power is also as well 1 as well. In the last term there is another b whose power is 1. Okay, so there are 3 b's all with the power 1. Then we go for c. Okay, c ko power there is no c in the first term. There is no c. In the second term, there is a c. In last term, there is also a c. That means we have to add 1 plus 1 because in both the cases, the powers of c are 1. So, my again भन्छु अगाडि plus आयो भने we do not have to write the plus. Okay, अगाडि plus लेख्नु जरुरी छैन. Minus छ भने we have to, but in case of plus, it's not necessary. So, simple mathematics, 2 3s are 6. A to the power 2, that is a square. B cube c square. This is the answer. Is there any confusion to anyone? If there is, please unmute yourself and speak in any step. Okay, if you have any confusion, just ask me. All right, I'm giving you a minute to copy this one. If you haven't, then we'll move forward with the last question, and then we will move forward with the new topic today. Okay, I'm rubbing it now. So the last question that we had to do was minus 8x multiplied by minus x square yz multiplied by minus 2y multiplied by minus 3z. Okay, this was the question, the last question. Okay, if Rahul Khimire, can I please talk to you, Rahul ji?
Yes, sir.
So Rahulजीले देखिराख्नु भएको छ, can you please tell me what would be the final sign after multiplication?
Plus.
Plus. Very good. Okay, because there are four minuses: minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. If you multiply four minuses, it becomes a plus. The final sign is plus. Thank you very much. So now we multiply the coefficients. First my coefficients are 8 times. Second one there is no coefficients, numerical coefficients. In third there is 2. So there is 2, and in fourth there is 3. Okay, we have multiplied all the coefficients here now. Now we go for the same basis. X to the power 1 in the first one, 2 in the second one, and there is no other element, no other x. For y, there is no y in the first term, but in the second term there is one y whose power is 1, and the second term or third term also there is a one y whose power is 1 as well. Okay, for z, there is no z in the first term, but in the second term there is z, and in last term there is another z. That means the powers will be added. So in the second term the power is 1, and in the fourth term the power is 1. Okay, now the simple mathematics, as I've told you already, if there is plus in front you didn't have to write anything there, so I'm just rubbing it off. So here is 48 x cube y square and z square. This would be our final answer. So if you have any confusion regarding this, you can unmute yourself and speak. Otherwise, if you haven't done it, just copy it. Okay. All right. So since we are done with this one, let us just move forward and say new topic ma move garam. So look at this screen carefully. So this is the topic we're going to discuss today. So the topic says itself multiplication of binomial by monomial. याद गर्नुस् त अहिले भर्खरैको टर्म्सहरु हेर्नुस् त. We are multiplying all monomials there. हेर्नुस् त 8x is a monomial, x square yz is also a monomial, 2y is also a monomial, 3z is also a monomial. That means all we are doing here is multiplying the monomials to each other. But now we will be multiplying the binomials by monomial. Okay, binomials by monomial. For example, this, see, 2ab is multiplying 7a cube minus 4b square. Okay, 2ab is multiplying 7a cube minus 4b square. See, 2ab is a monomial, but inside the bracket 7a cube minus 4b square, it is a binomial. Now we are multiplying binomial by monomial. How do we do it? So it's pretty basic. We've done it already in class 6 and 5 as well. 6 पनि गरिसकेका छौं. It's pretty simple, एकदमै सजिलो. All you have to do is open up the bracket, and then it will become something like monomial by monomial. Okay, how to open up the bracket? 2ab here should multiply both 7a cube and minus 4b square individually. Okay, so 2ab ले चाहिँ यो 2ab जुन छ त्यसले 7a cube लाई पनि and 4b square लाई पनि पालै पालो individually multiply गर्नुपर्छ, individually. So दुवैलाई हामीले दिनुपर्छ 2ab, but we have to multiply the sign first. So plus gives us plus, and 2ab multiplied 7a cube. This is done. This is done. Now for the second one, plus minus gives us minus. Now 2ab multiplied 4b square. Means the दुवै टर्मलाई individually multiply गरेको हैन 2ab. Because 2ab was supposed to multiply both the terms individually, जुन हामीले भर्खरै गर्यौं. Okay, अब हेर्नुस् त ल, regardless of the sign there in the middle, हामीले individually हेर्यौं. This is also multiplication of a monomial by monomial. This also multiplication of monomial by monomial. So अघि जसरी गरे थियो अब हामी त्यसरी नै गर्छौं. It's pretty simple. So this is it. We multiply the sign, we multiply the coefficients now. So in the first terms, the coefficients are 2 and 7 multiplied together. And the second one, the coefficients are 2 and 4. And we add the powers of the same basis. Okay? The answer is pretty basic. 2 7s are 14, a4b minus 8ab cube. Alright? So simple mathematics, multi-explain. So what if there was minus 2ab in place of 2ab? 2ab को ठाउँमा -2ab भयो भए चाहिँ के हुन्थ्यो त? Let us see that as well. Copy गरिराख्नु भएको छ. I'll give you 1 minute to copy this one. Okay. Rahulji, are we done? Okay, so multiplication of what if there was -2ab in place of 2ab? Again, there was 2ab. Now we have just replaced 2ab by -2ab. Okay, so look at the screen. The only thing that will change is the sign here now. The coefficients, the powers will remain the same. The only thing that will change is sign here. So here, while opening up the bracket, we have to multiply the sign. Sign multiply garnu paryo. So here 2ab ko agadi minus cha, 7a cube agadi plus cha. There is a plus in front of 7a cube and minus in front of 2ab. So if we multiply them together, we will get minus. We will get minus. See, minus 2ab multiplies 7a cube. That is individually. Okay, individually. Now again, in front of the 4b squared there is a minus, and in front of 2ab there is another minus. So minus and minus gives us plus. And again 2ab multiplied 4b square. Okay, see, individually 2ab ले दुई बेला multiply गरे है. First we multiply the sign अनि हामीले multiply मा चाहिँ individually राखिरहेका छौं है. Just remember the process. Okay, now see, it's easy. हामीले जसरी monomial लाई गर्थे त्यही नै हो अब. So the coefficients are multiplied at first. 2 and 7 and 2 and 4 and so on. Okay, the answer is -14a for b plus 8ab cube. The only thing that is changed is sign. So all I'm saying is, तपाईले multiply गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ sign लाई बिर्सनु हुँदैन. You should not be forgetting the sign there. Sign लाई चाहिँ always remember the sign. Okay, so you can copy it. I'll give you 1 minute and we'll discuss some more questions. All right, so we'll discuss 1 or 2 more questions. So let's say your example like we have a 3x multiplying, let's say 3a multiplying 4a minus 7. Okay, Mukta, can I please talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Mukta, can you please tell me what do we have to write as a process, as in the process?
3a into 4a.
3a times 4a
minus 3a times 7.
3a times 7. Thank you very much. So, it's pretty easy. So, coefficients is multiplied by coefficient. 3 and 4 are multiplied together and the power of a are added. So, first one power is 1, second one power is 1. Okay, first term sakyo. Now we are in the second term. Minus 3 and 7 are multiplied with each other. Meanwhile, a sanga aru kunai pani a chaina. In the second term, there is only one a, so the powers are not added. Because the power add garna kunai a nai chaina. There is no a, so that we can add the power. All right. So it's pretty basic mathematics. B square minus 21a, simplest answer. Okay. Let's one as well. Okay, ये question अलिकति twist कर दें. So if we have minus 3ab 4a square 5b. Okay, so Diksha Gimire, can I please talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what to write in the first step?
Minus 3ab into 4a square.
Minus 3ab into
4a square.
4a square and, sorry, square and
Plus
good
3ab into
3b into
5b cube.
5b cube. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so Osinji, can I please talk to you? Yeah, please go ahead. Can you please tell me?
Minus 3 into 4.
4, very good.
A 1 plus 2.
A to the power 1 plus 2. Very good.
and B B
B.
B then three into
No,
5
you have forgot the sign. बिचमा sign पनि छ नि हामीसँग हैन?
plus
Plus.
plus 3
Mhm.
into 5
3 into 5.
A
A.
and B to the
B.
power 1 plus 3.
1 plus 3. Okay, thank you very much, Oshinji. So this is pretty अब now त हामीले त अब गर्न सकिहाल्छ. It's pretty simple mathematics. So 12A cube B plus 15A B 4. Okay, this is the answer for this one. Right, so I'm giving you 1 minute. Ayut Rizal ko चाहिँ camera बिग्रेको भन्नुभएको छ है. Ayut Rizal I think has informed us, but you have to write the letter. Okay.
Or,
Yeah, who is talking?
I think there should
Yeah,
be
it's fine.
15 AB cube
Where?
in last.
In last AB cube. Why do you think so?
Oh, I wrote 2.
Yeah, no, it's 3. Okay, it's 3. Right, are we clear, Smarika ji? Anyways, okay, let's discuss one last question. One last question. Anima, I will give you some work to do. So for this one, I would like to talk to Mr. Pallav ji.
Yes, sir.
So we are doing a little bit complicated one. Let's say 5a, well, it's what you say, 5a cube b square multiplies 3a b cube minus 7b. Okay, Pallabji, are you there? Pallabji?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So what
sir.
should we write in the first step? Can you please tell me? First step ma ke leख्ने होला भनिदिनुस् त मलाई. Minus
5a cube
5a cube
b square
b square
multiplied 3ab cube
3ab cube
plus
plus
5a cube
5a cube
b square multiply 7b.
multiplies 7b. Thank you very much, Pallabji. Thank you very much. So, okay, Eric G, can I please talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Eric, can you please tell me what to write in the next step?
Minus 5 into 3.
Minus 5 into 3, very good.
A 3 plus 1.
To the power 3 plus 1.
B
B
2 plus 3 to the
to the
power.
power 2 plus 3
Plus 5
plus 5
into 7.
into 7.
A power 3.
A power 3.
B
B
2 plus 1.
plus 1. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is it. अब हामीले simple mathematics गर्न मात्रै बाँकी छ. It's simple mathematics left to do. So we have minus 15 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 plus 35 a cube b cube. Okay, this is the answer. All right, so yay principle based by I've given you some questions. It's under the topic CW12L1. Okay, CW12L1. There are 3 questions. You have to take do it in copy and take a picture and then submit to me in attachment. Okay, तपाईले चाहिँ कपीमा लेखेर पिक्चर लिएर अट्याचमेन्ट पठाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. It's under the topic CW12L1 and it's here on your screen. है, तपाईहरु गुगल क्लासरुममा जानुस् त्यहाँदेखि CW12 भन्ने टपिकमा चाहिँ नयाँ क्लास वर्क छ. It is your classwork, okay? So you have to do it in copy, take a picture, attach the answer here, okay? So you have to do it in your copy and submit your answer in attachment to your answer here, okay? Classroom का answer मा चाहिँ attach गरेर हजुरले पढाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ मलाई.
Sir,
Yes.
which number?
Excuse me.
Which number, sir?
Have I not mentioned the number there?
3 number also there is, 4 number also there is, 5 number also there is.
I have mentioned, and you answer question number 4 DGM. 4 DGM. 4 DGM, okay?
Sir, thank you.
Welcome, Josna ji. Alright, I'm waiting for your submission. So do your answer in a copy and then attach the answer. So I'll add one more for you. This memo I will attach version that will be an assignment for you.
Sir, we need to write 3 number or 4 number.
4 number DGM. 4 number DGM.
Okay, sir.
It's clearly mentioned there. Still no submissions so far. Diksha ko aaya sir. Diksha Gimire, I've got your submissions here. Diksha ji, very good. Rahul ji ko pani आइसकेको छ. Okay, so turn गरिदिनुस् तपाईको असाइनमेन्टहरुलाई अनि गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने this will be your yes.
Classroom बाट लेख्ने हो answer.
Okay, सुन्नुस् त सबैले. This will be assignment and अर्को पनि थपेको छु है मैले. You have to do that question number 3AD from the given picture है. अर्को पनि assignment आएको छ. That is your assignment for the previous next class. And I hope you submit it in time. भोलिसम्म डेट ड्यू डेट छ. पर्सि हाम्रो फेरि क्लास हुन्छ है. So you have to submit it in time. All of you have a good day. Thank you for doing this. Have a good day.